Today we study about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, it is a plant succession occurring in the aquatic environment. It occurs both in the running and standing water, but better developed in standing water. For example, pond, lakes, where various stages of plant for distinct zones around a single body of water. Hydrosphere originating in pond start with the colonization of some phytoplanktons which form the pioneer plant community and finally terminates into a forest, which is a climax community. The various stages, together with their chief components of plant species of a hydrosphere, are as follows. Phytoplankton or pioneer stage. Second, rooted submerged stage. Third, rooted floating stage. Fourth, reed swamp stage. Fifth, sage meadow stage. Sixth, woodland stage. And last, forest stage. First one, phytoplankton or pioneer stage. It is also called as bare bottom stage. It is an initial stage of hydrosphere which constitute pioneer community. Some blue-green algae, green algae, diatoms, bacteria, etc. are the first organisms to colonize the primitive medium of the pond. They float on the surface of water and there is no life at the bottom of pond. The animals which feed on the dead phytoplankton are amoeba, paramecium, and vorticellas. The pH value of soil is not more than 5. Second stage, that is rooted submerged stage. The area of pond where water is more than 10 feet in depth is almost without any flowering plants, but where the water is about 10 feet deep, there may found submerged and free-floating plants. As a result of death and decay of phytoplanktons and their mixing with the silt which is brought from the surrounding land by rainwaters and by wave action of pond water and air currents, there develops a soft mud at the bottom of pond. This new habitat, which tend to be shallower and where light penetration may now occur easily, become now suitable for the rooted submerged hydrophytes like Myriophyllum, Elodea, Hydrilla, Potamogeton, Vallisneria, Utricularia, and many algae like Chara, Nightella, etc. These plants fill the water more or less completely by tangled vegetation. These vegetations expand year after year and cover the large areas. When these plants die, they are partly decomposed due to lack of oxygen and their remains are deposited at the bottom of the pond. A silt brought by streams is also deposited within the dead mass of vegetation. All these results in the building up of the new substratum and swallowing of water. This process makes the bottom of pond unfavorable for the growth and development of vegetation of submerged plants. This new habitat now replaces those plants, giving way to another type of plants which are floating leaves type. Third stage, that is rooted floating stage. When the water depth is about 5 to 8 feet, the submerged plants give way for the development of new vegetation of the floating species. The floating plants enter the area with their rhizomes. They are fixed to the bottom by roots but have stems and petioles which rise nearly to the top of water level so that the leaves float at the surface of water. The rooted plants are Nelumbo, Nymphea, Trapa, Monacharis, Marsillia quadrifolia, Ranunculus, Equites, Potamogeton, etc. In a year or two, they increase in number and gradually spread over the large area of the pond. Besides these, plants like Lemna, Ecornia, Ulfia, Pistia, Azolla, Ceratophyllum become associated with these plants. All this results in the complete coverage of the water. The submerged plants therefore cannot get the sufficient direct light and migrate to deeper water for survival. The decomposing mass of these dead plants and water-borne soil particles get deposited at the bottom of the pond. In a few years, due to rapid soil building processes, depth of water reduces to such an extent that it becomes too shallow for the survival of floating species. The floating species disappear, giving way for the development of swamp plants. Next stage is reed swamp stage. It is also called as amphibious stage. The water is now only 2 to 3 feet in depth. The species which are rooted and submerged but whose shoot extend well above the water surface make their appearance. These plants are Carex, Mariscus, Typha, Sagittaria, Phragmites, etc. They have well-developed rhizome and form a very dense vegetation, which reduces the light for floating plants of previous stage. Low light requiring animals like kingfisher, ducks, tortoise, scorpion, water bugs, etc. also make their appearance. Due to continuous deposition of dead organic matter and silt, the water level reduces very much and finally becomes unsuitable for the growth of these amphibious species. Next stage is sage meadow stage. Water level is now hardly half to 1 foot. This habitat now become favorable for the growth of species of Cyperaceae and Gramineae or Poaceae such as Carex, Juncus, Cyprus, Eliocaris. They colonize in the area and form the mat-like vegetation with the help of much branched rhizome system. As a result of high rate of transpiration, there is much rapid loss of water, and sooner or later the mud is exposed to air, as a result of which the nutrients like ammonia, sulfides, etc. become oxidized to nitrates and sulfates. Thus, mesic conditions approach the area and marshy vegetation disappears gradually. Next stage is woodland stage. By the time marshy vegetation disappears, soil becomes drier and drier for most time of the year. This area is now invaded by terrestrial plants, which are some shrubs like Salix cornus and trees like Papulus almus. By this time, there is much accumulation of humus with rich flora and microorganisms. Much mineralization of the soil favors the arrival of new species in the area. Last stage is forest stage. This is a climax community. The woodland community is rapidly invaded by several trees. In tropical climate with heavy rainfall, there develops tropical rainforest. In temperate rain, mixed forest, almus, acer, cubex develops. In region of moderate rainfall, there develops tropical deciduous forest or monsoon forest. Thus, in hydrosphere, stage 1 is pioneer community, stage 7 is climax community, and 2 to 6 stages are seral communities. This is all about the hydrosphere. Thank you.